Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Sneaky Salmonella. I am your host, Billy Bibblebottom Bon Vivant. Today, we look at the interesting case of the charcuterie catastrophe. Beginning November 20th, 2023, and extending until early this very month, a surprising turn of events turned horror for 47 unlucky individuals who hoped naively that they could partake in a succulent, salty snack, but ended up ingesting a sodium-rich surprise. Spread amongst 22 different states, a slew of specimens snuck into a solemn spread, found in a suspiciously subtle charcuterie sampler. The scene, Sam's Club and Costco. The culprit, thinly sliced prosciutto, sweet sopressata, and dry copper from Buscetto's brand. Black pepper, salami, Italian salami, dry copper, and surprise, more prosciutto from Fratelli Barrette brand. For those that are struck and slighted by the salmonella. I think we're safe. They may experience the unsavory symptoms of gastroenteritis. Diarrhea, fever, bloody stools, regurgitation, dehydration, dizziness, and abdominal ailments can at times be left in its wake. This infection begins within 6 hours of consumption and may incubate for up to 6 days, asymptomatically. Once the illness manifests, it may cling to your soul for 7 days. The serotype is currently unknown. However, it is currently labeled as Salmonella 141. Named after Dr. Daniel Salmon, Salmonella is a zoonotic pathogen, meaning it infects both humans and animals. A possible factor for Salmonella outbreak in charcuterie meats is the existence of this bacteria in the muscle of snouted hogs. Another possibility is in the processing systems, the equipment and distribution lines of the meat and the packaging of it. Because according to the scientific paper, culturing salmonella on already cured meats is an unfavorable environment to the pathogen. Salmonella is a gram-negative bacteria that contains many flagella for movement. This is one invasive foodborne pathogen that is transmitted by the fecal-oral route. They invade the intestinal epithelial cells and destroy them by injecting their genome into human hosts. They follow a type 3 secretion system. The strain of pathogen Salmonella are highly virulent and express virulence factors responsible for pathogenesis. If you were so moved to purchase these, I must implore you, throw away any of these products. Thoroughly decontaminate any surface that may have been sullied by their slime with soapy water. And if you are able, run for your life. These symptoms are linked to infection called salmonellosis. The Minnesota Department of Agriculture tested these products and found them to be positive for salmonella. Over 11,000 pounds of product have been safely excised from the marketplace and home of the consumer as a step to the ongoing investigation. In its natural habitat of raw meats, this invasive non-typhoidal bacteria has boomed. It secretes and spreads into intestinal epithelial cells. To all those that hope and desperately cleave onto the fleeting reality of a painless existence, I do beg of you, do not go seeking the samplers, for the consequences may be severe.